Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here one of the latest premium Watch Ultra clone in the market. What we have here is the ZD8 Ultra Pro smartwatch, another smartwatch with the ZD8 support application. Okay, if you are wondering what is ZD8, it's a good support app for premium smartwatches. Okay, so it is getting popular as it features a lot of options, okay, functions, and of course watch faces, premium watch faces. So we have here the ZD8 Ultra Pro smartwatch, and we are going to have the unboxing of this new wearable. And as you can see here, we have the Watch Ultra Zinc. It has a zinc alloy body frame with a midnight ocean band. Okay, it's a 49mm smartwatch, 1:1. Okay, smartwatch ratio with the original. And of course, let's start the unboxing. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below. Okay, let's start. Let's remove the plastic cover here. Okay, it will be our first, okay, try to check this wearable. Our first time to check this smartwatch. Again, it is one of the premium option for the Watch Ultra clone smartwatch in the market. Okay, it's the ZD8, okay, application. It is using the ZD8 application. So we have here the ZD8 Ultra Pro. So let's open the box. Very simple packaging, by the way. We have the Smartwatch Ultra here. Okay, user manual. As you can see, so it looks decent. It looks premium, not just a small photocopied user manual. This one, you see, it looks elegant. Okay, it looks professionally done. So we have here scan QR code, the app, and we have some details here on the tutorial. Okay, what else? So this is in Chinese language, and we have the smartwatch. So we have here the strap. Okay, again, what is the midnight blue? Okay, so it looks elegant here, and we have a charging cable. Okay, wow, nice. It is our first time here to have this type of charging cable. As you can see here, we have a USB type C charging cable. Okay, new cable for the smartwatch. Okay, it's not a micro USB anymore. Okay, or the USB. So we have a USB type C. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, it's not a micro USB anymore or USB charging port. Instead, we have here a USB type C. Okay, and we have the smartwatch in black color. Okay, so again, this is a 49mm version. Okay, so let's check. So we have here the smartwatch. Okay, it looks elegant, it looks premium, and as you can see here at the back, we have, okay, a screw. Okay, a real screw, not a fake one. And we have here the lock. Okay, watch strap lock. You can, okay, press to attach the or to remove the strap. Okay, it secures the strap properly. Okay, so let's check on the weight of this wearable. Okay, without the strap first. Again, this is a ZD8 Ultra Pro smartwatch. Okay, Again, the contents for the wearable or for the box, we have the user manual, we have the charging cable, a USB type C, and we have the strap. Okay, we have here the smartwatch, so let's check it out. So it is around 44.13 grams. Okay, with the strap, so it is around 64, or shall we say 65 grams. Okay, so it is in a mid-range when it comes to weight. Okay, it's not that heavy. Okay, so we have here the orange action button, the speaker, we have the IML back cover here with the screws. Okay, on the right side we have a big crown button and a pill shape or the return button. Okay, so let's try to attach this one. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so did you hear that click? Okay, let's have a closer look. Okay, so it is secured properly. Okay, so beautiful smartwatch so far. It looks nice, it looks decent, and it looks premium. Okay, so for the specs of this one, okay, for the specs, so we have a 2.2-inch retina screen, IPS LCD screen. Okay, and we have 5 to 6 days normal usage, so much longer battery life. Okay, very long standby time with a 25 to 35 days for standby time. Okay, again, the app is Zordai, so we have here different features. Okay, 420 mAh battery, wireless charging, available in orange, black, and gray. Okay, so what else do we have here? IP68, water resistant. Okay, we do have here a heart rate sensor, an AX chip, and iOS and Android system compatible. Okay, so it looks good. Okay, and the magnet here very strong, so it uses a wireless charging, okay, feature, and a USB type C here to charge your smartwatch. So let's try to check on the screen display here. Let's turn it on. We still have power left, so let's see. Okay, let's remove this first. If you don't have a battery life, we will charge it later on. Okay, but so far seems like the bezel here or the black border is very slim compared to the previous model. Okay, seems like we don't have a power. We'll charge it. Okay, then we'll get back to you, and let's check on let's have a preview of its menus and the display, particularly the display. Okay, after we fully charge the smartwatch, okay, so let's check the screen display of the smartwatch, and at the same time let's also check, okay, let's have a preview of its menus and features. So let's check. I don't know if this is the power button or this one. Let's press this one first. Okay, nope. How about this one? Okay, so this is the power button for this wearable. So we have here, okay, very loud speaker. Okay, we have several languages, so let's pick. Okay, so it supports several languages here directly on the smartwatch. You don't need to go to the support app just to pick or change the language. It's already here available in the smartwatch. So let's pick on the English. Okay, So we have here 100% battery, and so as you can see here, beautiful screen display. Okay, beautiful graphics. Okay, so this is power on and off. So let's try to change the watch face here. Okay, let's pick a watch face that we can see the border. Okay, so very slim so far. Okay, as you can see here, very beautiful screen display. Okay, even in this angle you can still see the graphics. Okay, so sharp screen display, and for the specs you can check it here. Okay, on top, let's see. So this is okay. I guess this is the new quick menu or quick settings. Again, let's see. Okay, also that is a different one. I guess that is okay. So this is the split screen, I think. On the top we have the quick menu here. So this one, the brightness. We have the information here, Zordai. Okay, so this is the split screen or quick settings here, or quick menu, I think. On the other side we have the shortcut, the different functions of the wearable. Okay, so you can add different functions here. Okay, on the bottom part, okay, we don't have, okay, so that's it. Again, let's try this one. Okay, so we have here the main menus. Okay, what's this one? Okay, so different options here, screen intensity. So there's a lot of options for the smartwatch. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing of the ZD8 Ultra Pro smartwatch. Okay, checking of its design, specs, as well as the menus and features here. Okay, sneak preview of its menus. So far so good when it comes to the screen display of the wearable. I also like this one, real screw here. Okay, and with the option for, or a function for, the watch strap lock here. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the ZD8 Ultra Pro smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, next video, watch out for our menus and features review of the ZD8 Ultra Pro smartwatch. Bye.